Hi, I'm Sophie Anderson from Cairns Coaching. All my workshops and presentations are designed to boost health, productivity, and engagement through evidence-based tools drawn from cognitive behavioral therapy, positive psychology, and self-leadership principles. They're practical, engaging, and always tailored to real-life challenges. So many people are overwhelmed and feeling like they're failing at work-life balance or that their employer needs to do more for them. In this session, I flip that on its head. I help people get really clear on what balance actually looks like to them and how to set boundaries and priorities that work. It's a chance to pause, reflect, and realign with personal and professional responsibilities in a more empowered way. The results are more focus, more satisfaction, more productivity, and healthier energy. Not from working less, but living better. Each topic works beautifully on its own or as part of a complete personal development series. They are here to reduce stress, build self-awareness and self-leadership, and transform your team from the inside out. Contact me if you're ready to create a happier, healthier team together.